When your child has gone through prolonged periods of NG tubes, intubations, and so forth, I don't know why anybody is allowing an NG tube really longer than 2 months. I know people don't want the G tube, so they put it in. You're going to have a lot of complications. So the first thing you really got to do, it's the cranial courses that I offer. Not cranial sacral, I'm level 2 on that. It has to be cranial movements. What happens when you're an infant, you're small, the NG tube, right? You have no idea how many bones are in the nose. Now, this is an adult skull. It's still not covering everything, properly. But if I take off this skull and take off the nose, right? So what happens is you've got what happens is you've got an ethmoid jam, right? Even the lacrimals are off, the conychias, the intermaxillaries, and you've got the tagoderm. So you're going to get these movements going on, and that's why you're getting the off blinks, because the nasal bones are really are not moving efficiently, and I don't think she has good vision because of it. Don't believe me, or you need to know, just go like this and just twist a little bit, just a light touch and twist. You can't see, right? And you've got the hip dysplasia on top of it. Love to see the hip reports. I know you're in Canada. And anything to do with the NHS is the worst because you can't get, but you need to somehow see the eye reports. It's imperative because I don't feel that she's been examined properly. It has to be with a retinoscopy, and you don't have good visual responses with that, but you really need to work on the cranial bones and all of those and undo that tagoderm. If you want to start simple, I would probably do my swallow course and go in there, but with the intention of really working with those facial bones crossing midline and see if we can get those moving, because again, if the facial bones don't cross midline, then the eye can't cross midline, and you're getting all these asymmetries within the eye functions. You're seeing the eyes, but you're not seeing what's going on with the facial bones. And I just can't even stress. I mean, there's just so many in here, and that's what's causing your problem because of prolonged NG tube. Listen, I'm not giving you like you shouldn't have done it. That's not the point. It was done, and now we've got to undo it, right? This is not, I'm not trying to be disparaging in any way. You just don't realize the complications, and I don't think most people, it was done for failure to thrive, right? But now it's affecting her movements, and now you also have hip dysplasia and all of that. So all of the videos too of her in a 5-point harness, so I can't evaluate where she is with her movements, but I can tell you what's going on with her face and her eyes, and that's what's going on. Thanks.